Hey y'all, here's how I made my cute little gingerbread men out of Dollar General kitchen towels. So for the shape, I'm using my gingerbread man window cling and I'm just tracing him with a pencil onto my towel. And of course, it doesn't have to be perfect. You'll see mine isn't perfect. You can always go back in and trim out any pieces that you don't need. And I'm just using my pins to hold my fabric together, and then we're just gonna go ahead and trim out our gingerbread man silhouette. And you can also just print out a little gingerbread man silhouette, and that way you can size it to whatever you prefer. So my gingerbread man is going to be a no-sew gingerbread man, so I'm using my hot glue gun to go right along the edges of our gingerbread man. So I do this all the way around and just leave his little foot open so that we can stuff it with some polyfill. So these are little mini gingerbread men that I made this time, so it is a little more tedious to do tiny little pieces like this. I do want to try to do a larger one with my other towel because I actually bought 2 sets of these, so we're going to try to do a larger one and see how that one turns out as well. And now just leaving a little polyfill in his foot, and I'm just sealing it off with some glue. So I wanted to keep this one kind of simple, so I just add a little buffalo check scarf for him, just tied a little bow. For my next set, I may add some little buttons and things just to add more character to them. So here's how they turned out. I know they're not perfect, but they're still really cute. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and thank you so much for watching.